Hello and welcome back to another video. You're watching phoneZone.uae with me Karishma, and today we are going to talk about Nokia 5200 out here. Yes, talking about this variant, talking about 5200 or talking about 5200 out there. We can say 5200 was a variant which had a quite similar slider phone we have seen earlier. Yes, we have seen slider phones also back then when it was in mid of 2000, late of 2000s, we can say. Not very late, but yes, approximately 2008, 9, 10, in these years. When we talk about this variant, when we talk about this version out there, when we talk about these kind of slide phones out there, we can say they had quite a similarity and they were quite similar. When we talk about this one specified way, when we talk about 5200, we can see that this was for music. Yes, this had a very special feature for its music functionality. Whereas the upgraded version of it had a thing with the multimedia, with the videos out there. Yes. Now let us talk very quickly about the specifications. It has a weightage of 104 grams with a mini SIM. Old version phone out there, so you can expect CSTN screen type with 256K colorization. Yes, you will find 256K colorization out there. This was the thing which we had seen out there. Apart from that, you will also get to see that it has a downloadable themes out there. You can download wallpapers, themes out there. Resolution capacity has reduced out in this variation with the passage of time. It has reduced from 200 to 101 or 102 ppi density. Talking about this variant, talking about this kind of a version slider phone, we can say it has a screen size which was of 2 inches. Yes, 2 inches screen size, and slider phone was there, so we can say when it slide down, when it is a compact version, it's very thick out there. When it slide up, it's quite a different variant out there. uh, you will get to see expandability. Yes, external storage possible because 5 MB internal storage capacity does not go well with the audience out there. As well as having an expandability helps you to have a good variant in the multimedia, music, everything out there. Talking about multimedia, we can see it has got a poor camera out there as compared to the older versions out there. This variant has a VGA camera. Yes, you will find VGA camera out there, and you will also find that this variant does not have 3.5 mm jack. It does not have 3.5 mm jack, but you will find a dedicated keys or 2.5 mm jack or earphones out there which offers you stereotype speakers and FM out there. You will find the infrared port. Yes, the additional factor too is this one is infrared port out there. Talking about this variant, talking about this version out there, we can say it has all of the specifications which it all the Nokia variants possess. Yes, all the Nokia variants possess the same specifications. Talking about the battery life, it has got a very poor battery life out there. We can say that because offering you about 3 hours talk time with 760 mAh battery was not a good version out there. But when we talk about this variant, we can say that this variant do offer you a good quality calling purpose. Yes, it can be as a good quality calling purpose. Battery life might not be very good, but it's still a acceptable thing. Yes, you can still expect a normal version out there, and for calling purpose it's a good version. Yes, a calling purpose it's a nice variant out there. Talking about this nice variant, we can say a lot of websites offer you n number of pricing, but few websites offer you an amazing and affordable price out there. One such website is available with us, that is this website, which is phonezone.ae. Phonezone.ae itself says that it's a collection of all the gadgets out there. This category, all mobile phones, helps you to see all the favorite gadgets from these reputed companies out there. When we talk about this variant, when we talk about this site out there, it offers n number of things out there like this search icon where you can search your favorite gadget out here. Yes, you can search your favorite gadget out here. Talking about the gadget, this is a very specified way to know your gadgets. So the results are out. As you can see, the results are out of the search Nokia 5200 5200. This is a description box we are seeing right now, and this description box helps us to know the specifications. And you get to see there is a condition written on this variant, that is refurbished condition. So let us know about refurbished condition, then we can talk and compare it with the brand new and see whether the refurbished products are good to use or not, and what is actually refurbished. So let us know about this so that we can know about the product. Talking about refurbished product or talking about the brand new product, we can say they are quite similar ones. Yes, they are quite similar out there. So, but still, let us talk about the words. Then we will talk about the product itself. But सबसे पहले हम बात करते हैं what is refurbished and what is brand new. Brand new means absolutely untouched. It has been directly from the original company, or we can say the marketplace or the original base out there. Whereas refurbished products are something new like. Yes, they are brand new like. It is extension to the brand new products. Yes, where the brand new products marketing ends, the refurbished base starts from that. How? So let me tell you what refurbished and brand new are, why they are like correlated. Brand new products include original base, like the company which has introduced that product into the market. Then the marketplace where it is being sold, like agencies or direct retailers or anyone out there, anyone who is selling that price out there or the product. From there to the consumers, the users out there. So these are the three phases out involved in the brand new: company, market mediators, and then the users. Now these users become the base. Yes, for refurbished, these users become the base. Now it's extension to it. Now the base is the user. They don't want to use it. They want it to be used by another one. They are like they have new products. So they give it to some sites, to some agencies, which test them, which resells them the pre-owned products. So to that, from that side, it is given back to the consumers who wants to use it. Yes. So this is the extension part of brand new. So this way we can say brand new and the refurbished product, they are correlated. When we talk about this correlation out there, we can say that the pre-owned products are actually good in use. Yes, they are not bad, they are good in use. Why they are good in use? Because the parameters test which are involved in the, we can say, brand new products are same like, or we can say they both have the same parameters to judge. Brand new products involves the parameters like display, buttons, camera, connectivity. We can say they involves the uh, colorization, the sim recognition, button intactness, the touch screening, CPU out there, their GPU processing system, Android, iOS system, operating system out there. Everything, every internal factor or the external factors are involved out there. So these are the same parameters which we test or which we see in the refurbished product. Now, when we say the refurbished product, we can say that these products, the refurbished products out there, also have the same factors, but checking factors are slightly more impact or more concise. Like if we talk about display, in brand new we see the display is working properly or not. In this we see is working properly or not, as well does it has any scratch or not, the display is broken or not, everything. Because since it has been pre-owned, we had to check the structurality, the usage, and everything out there, whether it's in good condition or not. Yes, everything has to be checked. So these involve around 29 parameters which are similar to the brand new. After this, they are certified. They are given a test, they are certified. Because of that, these have got a quality check out there. There have been a lot of points out there. There involves a lot of points, lot of things out there. There are approximately more than we can say 29 points. But there are parameters 29, but there are points, like every parameter has very several points out there. Talking about this refurbished and brand new, we can say that refurbished products have a advantage over brand new, And what are the advantages? Let us talk about that. Refurbished products provides you savings. Yes, they provide you savings out there. Talking about the savings, these products help you to save a good amount of money. So you can save up to 15%, we can say. And how you save? Because the brand new products are slightly expensive, whereas these products are in pocketable rates. Yes, you get to have these products in pocketable rates. So you can say that these are giving you a savings also. Whereas you get to see that these products offers you 6 months warranty period. You get to have 6 months warranty. That's a wonderful feature out here, because usually when a pre-owned phone is occupied, or we take any pre-owned phone, we don't get the warranty period, but this side offers you 6 months warranty out there. As well as you get to have 7-day exchange policy. You are getting exchange policy also. If the product is not up to the mark, it has not been verified, then you get to have the exchange policy also. So this is a wonderful feature out here. So let me take you back to the website. And talking about this website, let me re-highlight the name. The website name is phonezone.ae. Yes, the website name is phonezone.ae. As I've already told you about this function, that is all mobile phones. We get to see n number of categories out there. The search icon helps you to search your favorite gadgets out there. Apart from that, 6 months warranty and 7-day exchange policy, I've already told you. Addition to these points is the COD. Yes, addition to it is COD, that is cash on delivery. You also get to have free shipping, that is free home delivery is free shipping. Most of the parts of UAE have a free shipping of 48 hours. Yes, within 48 hours, you will have your product at your doorsteps. Whereas you get to have a week time for Saudi. Saudi might vary for a week. Yes, it might not take 48 hours. It might take a week out there. But for best pricing, yes, you can definitely visit out the site or call on helpline executive number. This site offers you one of the best pricing out there. Yes, this site offers you one of the best pricing. And for pricing, do check out the website. The description has the link, or on Google also you can go. Or you can also call on a helpline number for your favorite gadgets. Till then, take care.